Hello everyone, x power square root to x equal 10. What is the value of x? Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We know that x equals square root x power 2, okay? So x power square root to x equal x square root to x square bracket power square root to x equal 10. We did that a power n bracket power m equal a power n times m. So this equal square root to x bracket power 2 times square root to x equal 10. Let square root to x equal y. So y power 2y is equal to 10. ln y power 2y equal ln 10. We know that ln x power n equal n ln x. Okay, so this equal 2y ln y is equal to ln 10. This divide by 2 and this divide by 2. We simplify, so y ln y equal ln 10 over 2. Note that y equal expo ln y. Okay, so expo ln y times ln y equal ln 10 over 2. So this equal ln y times expo ln y equal ln 10 over 2. We know that numbers a expo a is equal to a. Okay, where a equal ln y. So Lambert ln y expo ln y equal Lambert ln 10 over 2. So this equal ln y is equal to Lambert function ln 10 over 2. So expo ln y equal expo Lambert function ln 10 over 2. Okay, we simplify this and this. Y equal expo w in 18 over 2. But square root of x equal a y. Okay? But square root of x equal a y. So square root of x bracket power 2 equal a y square. We simplify this and this, so x equal a y square. But y equal expo Lambert function ln of 10 over 2. Okay, so x equal a y square equal expo Lambert function ln 10 over 2 bracket power 2. So x equal expo w ln of 10 over 2 bracket power 2. This solution, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.